Today I share with you how to make something nice for yourself. When I make something nice, this pie is going to be the favorite pie you ever see or eat. So begin guys, I'm going to be needing 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Then add in this sugar, that's 3 tablespoons. Then add in salt to taste, half spoon, and then add in baking powder. So guys, get that mixed together. After mixing that, I'm going to be adding this butter. That is a little bit of butter, and then mix together. So guys, all you have to do is to share this video, because my first time trying this pie, guys, this make my day. It was everything. What I need next is this egg. I make use of 3 raw egg, then add everything and keep on mixing. I'm just going to mix that until the egg and the flour get dissolved. Just keep on mixing. This is just really simple to get done. So now I'm going to be needing 1 cup of milk, but I did not add in the 1 cup at once. I'm use all the 1 cup, but first of all I add it little by little so that I will know the texture before I will proceed. So now I'm going to be adding the remaining one. So at this point I'm not adding anything again. See guys, we did not add on water. No water guys. So all I do now is to proceed that to this wall surface so that I will get everything mixed so nice. So I just bring that down from the wall surface. I will keep on mixing. I will keep on mixing until the batter is combined and ready to use. So guys, not anything is added, no flour, no water, no butter. Just keep on mixing your batter until it's nice like this. So at this point it's okay. So what I'm going to do now is to transfer that back to this bowl. So I'm just going to keep this for just 5 minutes to get ready. Remember guys, this is not going to double its size. It's because you are not making bread, this is pie. So I just cover that for 5 minutes just to get rest. 5 minutes later I come back. So first of all, I'm going to be adding some oil in the wall surface, then transfer the batter inside the wall surface. All I do now is to take this cutter and then cut the batter into little biteable size. So what I do now is to make sure that I get the accurate measurement of the batter I'm going to be making. So I'm going to be making 6 pies. So first of all, I arrange the pie in 6 quantity, like 6 size. Oh God, so first of all, see what I do after taking my roller to roll that. Then I'm going to cut that into this 4 corner size, guys, just this 4 corner size. So after cutting that in this 4 corner size, so what I do now is to grease that with this egg mix. So grease all over the body of the pie, then add in this sauce. I make use of chicken sauce, guys. So that is chicken sauce, and it was really delicious. I couldn't show you guys so that the video will not be that long, because I want you guys to get every bit of this video, like how I get this pie done. So this is how I cover it, guys. This is how I cover it. It was really simple. After doing that, I'm going to use this spoon to seal it like this. So now that I'm done sealing it, I'm going to transfer that inside this baking pan. Oh guys, I hope you take note how I get that cover. It was really simple to get cover, and this is just amazing. It's just the same way if you are covering your samosa. But guys, this is not samosa, this is amazing chicken pie that everyone need to try. At this point guys, oh my gosh, look at this pie now. Just imagine, it bakes so nice guys. I set my oven well, and then I have this amazing pie. When we chop this guys, I wish I get this done more than this size. Like, it was everything, even this sauce inside it, everything was just so amazing. This pie is so delicious. My first time making this, and I just love every bit of this. All you got to do is to share this video, follow this process to make this delicious pie for your family. Everyone around you is going to appreciate you, because this is just so amazing. In my next one guys, share. Bye.